everyone, Sherry Lynn here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is Asian lettuce wraps, and I really think you guys are going to enjoy them. They throw together in like 10-15 minutes, so it's perfect for a busy weeknight dinner. And I think they taste delicious. I'm sure you guys will enjoy them. Check it out. So jumping right into this video, what you're going to need is some lettuce. I'm using iceberg, and I just peeled off little cups. So you'll need that. You can use butter lettuce, you can use romaine if that's what you prefer. I like the iceberg for this. You're gonna need 1 pound to 1.5 pounds of ground beef, 1 green onion, half of a small yellow onion. If you're worried about your carb count, you can leave this out, although I think it really adds to the flavor of this recipe, so I recommend it. You're gonna need 2 garlic cloves. You're gonna need some chili garlic paste, some ginger paste, some sesame oil, and 2 teaspoons of whatever sweetener you prefer. I'm using a stevia monk fruit blend, and that's it. The first thing we're going to do is go ahead and chop up our onion into small little pieces. Go ahead and take your green onion, and you're going to want to slice this into small pieces as well, and keep it separate from your yellow onion because we're going to use this to garnish the top of these with. And I go right into the green part, and you want to go ahead and spread out the little rings. And next we're going to take our yellow onion and our sesame seed oil over to the stove. So the first thing we're going to want to do is take a 1/2 teaspoon of your sesame seed oil, spread that around the pan. Go ahead and turn it on to a medium-high heat. Let that heat up for a little bit. Then add your onions right to the pan. And we're just gonna cook these until they start to turn a little bit soft and translucent. Just stir these up a little bit, try to get them to cook evenly on both sides. So once they start to soften up, go ahead and push them to the side of your skillet and add your 1 pound to 1.5 pounds of ground beef. And you wanna break this up into small pieces. Then after a couple minutes, go ahead and flip it. And we're gonna go ahead and cook it like this until there's no pink in the middle. Keep stirring it and flipping it over. So now that the pink is pretty much out of this, go ahead and stir in your onions and add in 1/4 cup of your light soy sauce. Stir that around. To this, we're gonna add our 2 teaspoons of our sweetener. And I like to push the meat aside and add it right into the juice. It just dissolves a little bit better that way. Give it a stir and then mix it into the whole batch. Now to this, go ahead and add your 2 minced garlic cloves. And stir that around. Now to this, we're gonna add a teaspoon of our garlic chili sauce and a 1/2 teaspoon of our ginger paste. And give that a stir. Now at this point I like to add a little bit of black pepper. You don't need to. If you don't like it too peppery, then leave it out, but I like to give it a little sprinkle. And then you just want to keep stirring this and flipping it until the liquids reduce. This isn't very hot at all. If you do want to kick it up a notch, go ahead and put in some more of the ground chili paste, about 2 or 3 tablespoons more, and that should add a nice amount of heat for you. As you can see, this is starting to reduce quite nicely, so we're almost there. Go ahead and turn it off and just let it cool down for a couple seconds. Gonna bring the ground beef over, and you just want to go ahead and put some in a cup. Top it with some green onions, and there you have it. Can't wait to give this a try. See how easy that was to make? Perfect for a busy weekday. Gonna give these a taste. These are absolutely delicious. I think you guys are gonna love them. Super easy to make. Excited for you guys to give it a try. If you haven't already subscribed, feel free to share these recipes, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.